trying to figure out what that is. He gonna have pneumonia. Run, Birdie, run! Oh, run, Birdie, run!
He's going.
Now he's in it.
Now he's in the water. He'll go towards the water and then he runs away from the water.
There he goes, there he goes, there he goes. Woo! It was cold. This is cold water. Run, buddy, run, 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 run. He's unsure of what I'm gonna do. Go, 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 go. Woo! Yes, it's hilarious.
They say he's getting used to the water.
Well, we've gotten closer, and we think that it used to be the pier and a piece of it's missing. I know we think. I can just about guarantee you nobody goes to the end of this pier anymore. Oh, it feels so good out here. This is gross. I feel gross under my feet.
It's not so good out here. It's cold.
Well, we're here.
Yeah.
And Lee's freezing to death. And I'm still comfortable. And we're walking back away from the pier. Don't my hair look beautiful? Our room is way down there. I'm kind of in need of a ponytail. Don't you think? Well, we're a little closer to our room. The building with the blue roof, or is that purple? I can't tell my glasses. Go swimming, baby. We're close enough. I wish you would have fell in it. I think it hit more than his back.
I'm gonna just jump into one of them.
Win. He sounds like one of them birds. Alright, we're almost back to our room now. Alright, our room is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 from the top, so we are right there.
Jumping over the wave.
That's how he always played in the water, jumping over the wave. Ooh, he almost fell. Oh. Somebody lost a piece of an apple. I gotta wash my legs off. My hair feels like it looks worse than what it does. Hey, this ain't where we came in. Nice, they got 3 separate hoses. This ain't as cold as the ocean water. Where you get where you're not cold no more?
It's a little chilly. It's not like cold. It's the ocean, but it's a little chilly.
Oh,
I'm not sure.
we're at the beach. It's so much fun. We're number 1.